Hello, my name is Codemaster Jamal, and this is going to be a quick devlog. As you can see, I've officially finished all the textures, and I've put them into materials, and they're officially in the game. This is it, you guys. Officially have the real world clothes in, and we can start doing character instantiation. Yes, I do need to work on the clipping of the hair when it comes to wearing hats and those type of things. But other than that, everything looks pretty good, and well, we can get straight to testing out things in the overworld and finally show you guys some multiplayer networking for the game. I've worked really hard on this for a full year, actually. It'd be one full year in March, and I got it just before that. It needs a little bit more work on it, but for the most part, it's pretty much good to go. Like, I'm ready to start testing out this game and eventually to release this game and let you guys start testing it, see how you feel about it. If you guys really like this game, like, comment, subscribe for more Virtual Monsters content. I'm just really impressed by the sheer amount of combinations we have in the game. It's breathtaking, but I still want to put more into it, and I think that's something I'll work on later. But for now, this is going to be it. I'm making a video game, y'all.